Hello everyone, welcome to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to cancel Twitch subscription. So let's have a look now. First, log into a Twitch account and then go on your profile. Then you need to go for subscription. If you subscribe to somebody, you will see your subscription here. If you have any active subscription, they are going to show up here, and next there will be a little gear icon. You can click on that and cancel your subscription. And that's how you do it. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please like, comment and share. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.